Would you like to improve your voice and record professional-sounding voiceovers for your own videos, or get paid for providing voiceovers for others? Are you looking to improve your vocal range and learn the skills of the world's top voice talents to make your own videos more powerful so they grab your viewers' attention, deliver your messages effectively, and forces your viewers to take action? Or maybe you just want to have fun reading scripts in different character voices and earn quite a lot of money for doing so. Hello, I'm Peter Baker, a UK-based voiceover, a former BBC and ITV presenter, and the voice of literally thousands of commercials, training films, phone prompts, and promo presentations for clients in most countries of the globe. On my Patreon channel, you can connect with me, ask me questions, and receive exclusive step-by-step videos to answer your questions in more detail or help you with any difficulties you may have. Get access to all of my courses, and you'll even have the opportunity to jump on a one-to-one call with me. And that's over on my Patreon channel at patreon.com/Voiceover Masterclass. Here on YouTube, I'll be sharing with you a wide selection of voice training videos aimed at teaching you the skills of the voiceover, how to create a more powerful and resonant voice, extending vocal range, or improve clarity. Plus, there are videos for you if you'd like to become a successful voice artist with your own studio and sell your voice recordings to eager clients around the world via the internet, as well as how to create videos that look and sound great. Well, I'm sure you just want to get started, take a look around, and remember to subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss out on my new videos as soon as I upload them, and let me know your thoughts and questions in the comments below each video, as this will help me create even more useful videos for you. Have a good day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you again shortly in the next video.